beautiful and healthy Earth of 1970. डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला गाना चला.
Hello everyone, I am the Earth, the most developed Earth. I am the Earth of 2023.
Oh no, who is this and why she is coughing continuously?
I am the Earth of 2023.
Earth of 2023, meet me, I am the Earth of 1970.
Oh, Earth of 90s? That's why you look so old-fashioned.
I am far better than you. Look at yourself. Due to pollution, now your color becomes so black.
How smart I am. Rich people are everything like mobiles, cameras, laptops, computer. What is near you? Nothing.
In my world, peace, non-violence, clear and healthy environment. What is there in your world? Development, influencing, global warming. You said is good?
Yes, it is growth in 40 years. Growth increases 400%. Could I say this developed there? Could I say this developed there? Come, let us see what was in your period.
Come, I will show you what was there in my world.
मेरे सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm so tired and hungry. Is food ready?
Yes.
What did you prepare today?
Dal roti.
Wow, very delicious food. Now I'm going to sleep. Please bring my blanket.
Yes, I'm bringing.
Thank you, God, for it. Did you see this? This was my world, where people used to eat enough food and sleep peacefully.
What equal sleep? People sleep equal in 2023.
Come, I can show you something more about 90s. Hey, what are you doing here? I'm planting a tree. Every year on my birthday, I will plant a tree. Oh, that's great. From now on, my child has to plant a tree on my birthday every year. Yeah, you must plant the trees. Because of trees, we are getting fresh air and oxygen. Yeah, you're right. Did you see this? In my world, how people care